Howdy, my name is Daniel Michaels and I work for eSail at Texas A&M University. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use some of the features in Zoom like Whiteboard. So if you're in your dashboard as the meeting host, you will see this option to share screen. When you open this prompt, you will have the option to choose Whiteboard. Once you click Whiteboard, you hit share. And this will allow you to use your screen and the mouse cursor to type and draw out whatever you would like. So right there, I just showed the draw feature. I can also use a text, like a text box. I can also do things like spotlight and highlight different things. And I can use things like the draw feature to draw arrows away from things or to things. I could draw it to the test. You can then save this if you wanted to and then upload it to your students at a later date or after the lecture was over. Or you can simply clear all drawings and then restart with whatever new drawings you want to make. If you have a touch screen laptop, you can use this to draw on while also doing your Zoom meeting. I hope you found this video informative and we look forward to seeing you in the next one.